Hi, it is Parthapatim Sinha, legal intern in Linksys and Company. Today I'll be talking about a topic called FIR. FIR full form is First Information Report. First Information Report means FIR is an information recorded by police officer on duty given either by the aggrieved person or any other person to the commission of an alleged offence. Section 154 of CRPC 1970 tells about what amounts to first information report. Section 154. It says information in cognizable cases. Every information leading to the commission of cognizable offence, if given orally to an officer in charge of a police station, shall be reduced to writing by him or under his direction and be read over to the informant. And every such information, whether given in writing or reduced to writing as aforesaid, shall be signed by the person giving it, and the substance thereof shall be entered in a book to be kept by such officer in such form as the state government may prescribe in this behalf. Section 154 surplus 2 says a copy of information as recorded under subsection shall be given forthwith free of cost to the informant. So, Section 154 surplus 3, any person aggrieved by a refusal on the part of an officer in charge of police station to record the information referred to in subsection 1 may send the substance of such information in writing and by post to the superintendent of police concerned, who, if satisfied that such information discloses the commission of a cognizable offence, shall either investigate case himself or direct an information to made by any police officer subordinate to him in the manner provided by this code, and such officer shall have all the powers of an officer in charge of police station in relation to that offence. Now to talk about who can file an FIR. FIR can be filed by any person. He need not necessarily be the victim or the injured or an eyewitness. First information may be merely hearsay and need not necessarily be given by the person who has first-hand knowledge of the facts. Now to say about where to file an FIR. An FIR can be filed in the police station of the concerned area in which jurisdiction the offence has occurred. First are to obtain information about the alleged criminal activity so as to be able to take suitable steps for tracing and bringing to book the guilty person. Now, why FIR should be filed promptly? This is the golden principle of law prescribed in CRPC 1970 that FIR, first information report, should always be filed promptly and without wasting any time. Such a type of report gains the maximum credibility and is always welcome and appreciated by the courts. According to Supreme Court, the FIR recorded promptly before the time afforded to embellish or do away with the evidence is useful. It eliminates the possible chance of giving rise to suspicion. Now to talk one case. The case is Damodar vs. State of Rajasthan, AIR 2003 SC 4414. It says if the information was conveyed to police on telephone and DO entry was made, it will not constitute an FIR, even if the information disclosed commission of cognizable offence. Thank you.